Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Sorry, I'm feeling a little under the weather here, but today we have an unboxing of a humidifier. It's an ultrasonic humidifier by the company KEECOON, which you can pick up on Amazon, and it actually supports up to 9 liters, so it's holding a pretty good amount. Now, also checking out here on the Amazon listing, it sells for about $119 or so, 2.3 gallons or 9 liters. Let's see, smart constant humidity, top filling, ultra quiet. There's a sleep mode, congestion and cold relief, which actually I'm going to set this up and try it and see how it works. That looks to be the biggest things right there. 3 mist speeds, so that's pretty cool. And whisper quiet lasts up to 24 hours. So, you know, I've seen other ones out there, these ultrasonic humidifiers. You know, some people have it built into their HVAC or, you know, their home heating system. I don't believe we have a humidifier, so sometimes during the winter months it does get dry. And we definitely have humidifiers that are in the, you know, in some of the other rooms. So this might be something to help out with colds and just the dryness around the house. The box shipped just like this. That's how it came, not in anything else. Again, from Amazon. It doesn't really even say anything on the box of what brand it is, but again, the brand is KEECOON. Again, the link is below here. So let's go ahead, take a look, and see what's in the box. And we'll go ahead and I'll give a review of this, so make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Click that little bell icon and just smack myself right in the head. Why not, right? Okay, stuff is kind of light here, all plastic, so that seems to be where you would put the water in. Pretty nice looking design there. It says KEECOON. Here is the base unit. That's pretty much all set up. Talks about water shortage and water leakage. Due to long distance transport, the spring in the bottom of the tank is easy to get displaced. So I guess there's a picture on the back that shows you what you got to do if you have any issues with it. So looking forward to that. One other thing here in a box that looks like the way to clean it. That's one thing you're going to want to do with humidifiers. Make sure you keep it clean, because if it's not clean, then you can get sick from that. You don't want to do that. That would be even worse. Some extra packaging up top, as well as the getting started manual and a nice looking remote. So pretty cool here. And I'm going to go ahead and, excuse me, I need it now. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like just real quick. If I go to plug it in, kind of how it illuminates. Alright, so you can kind of see right there. Will it do anything? Okay. Doesn't do anything yet. Maybe I gotta... Oh, there you go. Alright, so there you go. It's telling me the rest of the unit's actually not on there, but you can get a general idea of what it looks like. So it's saying water shortage. Duh, yeah, right, I know. So pretty cool. There's a timer function, constant humidity. I have no idea how to say that word. A-N-I-O-N, anioing maybe. Sleep mode and max minimum. So you have a bunch of selectors on here. Same thing on that remote. So that right there is the KEECOON 9-liter ultrasonic humidifier. Again, I'm going to check it out. Make sure to like and subscribe. Click that little bell icon to stay up to date, and so you'll be able to see how the review goes. So if you're in the market for one of these, maybe this is something that you can go ahead and get for your home. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching this unboxing video, and we'll see you soon.